In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Webflow pricing plan. If you need to upgrade, switch billing frequency, or simply choose a plan that better fits your current workflow, Webflow makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to go and what to look for so you can make the change with confidence. To get started, open your Webflow dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your sites, workspace settings, and account-related options. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, because pricing plans are tied to the workspace you're currently viewing. From there, click on Plans. This section is where Webflow displays the available pricing options for your workspace, along with the features included in each one. If you've never visited this page before, it's a good place to compare what each plan offers before making a final decision. Once you're inside the plans area, select either the For In-House Teams tab or the For Freelancers and Agencies tab. This part is important because Webflow organizes its plans based on how you use the platform. If you're working internally with a company team, the in-house option is typically the right fit. If you build or manage projects for clients, the Freelancers and Agencies option will usually make more sense. Choosing the correct tab helps ensure you're looking at the plans that are most relevant to your needs. Next, choose the plan you want. As you review the options, you'll also see a toggle that lets you switch between billed monthly and billed yearly. This is useful if you want more flexibility with monthly billing or if you'd rather save money over time with annual billing. Be sure to check the included features carefully so the plan you choose matches your expected usage, team size, or project volume. After you've selected the plan and billing cycle you want, click Continue to Payment. On the next screen, review your prorated balance. Webflow may adjust the amount depending on your current subscription and where you are in your billing cycle, so it's worth checking the details before moving forward. Once everything looks correct, complete the purchase to apply the new plan, and that's it. Your Webflow pricing plan will be updated once the transaction is confirmed. If you're making this change for budgeting or scaling reasons, it's always a good idea to double check the plan details one last time before submitting payment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.